Hey fellow skin gang, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get glowing glass skin using my homemade probiotic rice toner. We all want to have beautiful and glowing skin, right? But it's not always as easy as it seems. But with probiotic rice toner, however, you can get that glass skin look without spending too much time and effort. Now, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use this toner as well as discuss the benefits and potential side effects. I also explain why probiotics is the key to getting a beautiful, glowing complexion. So, if you're looking for a simple and effective way to get glowing glass skin, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make that product at home and also how it actually benefits your skin and health in general. So if you like to see this video, please keep on watching. Okay, so first we need a clean beaker. Now, I'm going to emphasize this. When making this product, make sure everywhere is squeaky clean. In fact, use bleach and scrub everywhere. Make sure everywhere is clean. And we also need rice. We need, if you have the short grain rice, that's really nice. But I don't have the short grain rice, so I'm using the medium grain. And you're going to wash that thoroughly. I washed mine for about 3 times, and just to remove the dust and any excess dirt that I can take off. Now, what is probiotics? Probiotics are life organisms that are said to kind of have health benefits when they are consumed. They say it helps your guts. Not they say, it actually does help your guts. It helps your general well-being. Now, on our skin as well, there are microorganisms that help to keep the moisture balance and the general health of our skin. Now, environmental stressors and other oxidative stress can cause these microorganisms to die off, and you kind of need to replenish that, and that is where using products that contain these microorganisms come into play. Okay, so back to our video. I have washed my rice. Now I'm going to store it in this very clean mason jar. You can use anything that you have that can cover tightly, that can stop air from getting into the container. For me, I'm using this mason jar, and this is going to help keep the product safe from any bad bacteria. Now, probiotics are good bacteria that are found on your skin, in your guts, and they help to regulate your body system. Okay, so now we're going to keep this and let it ferment for about 4 days, and then I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like. Now, mind you, you want to be sure that this product does not have any leakage. You want to be sure that everywhere is clean. Now, some of you will ask, how does rice make my skin glow? Now, the fermented rice water, when used on your skin, contains some microorganisms that helps to balance the bad bacteria and with the good bacteria on your skin. So you need the two of them to act for your skin to actually flourish, but you don't want the bad bacteria to outgrow or overshine or overpower the good bacteria. Now, this good balance of the good and the bad bacteria helps to support a healthy, glowing, and balanced skin. Probiotics are not only cannot only be used on your skin. There are also probiotic supplements as well that you can take. Now, in situations where the gut microbiome is altered, um, you can develop inflammations, and this can, you know, spill over to your general circulation as well as the skin, and that can cause some dullness, some inflammations on your skin, and all of that. So using probiotics as a skincare topical application, and also taking probiotics and eating prebiotics, which are fiber foods that the probiotics can feed on, are also very, very important. You see, now with these things, before you know, you're explaining and explaining, and you're going deeper and deeper and deeper. So I'm going to stop here. Okay. If you want more information, there's information out there for you guys to read up and understand what exactly this product does. Now, after 4 days, this is what we have. As you can see, it has those whitish, I don't know if I'll call it foam on the top. Those that shows that this product has fermented very, very beautifully. Now, take note that if you find that the foam on top of your product is dark, black, or gray, know that that product is bad. You can't use it, throw it out. But if you have this clear, this white substance on the top, there's no gray, there's no black, know that you have successfully fermented your product. Now you're going to take another beaker, and we are going to strain that to get the liquid alone. Now, there are other ways that you can also make this. I have another way that I make this product for sale. That is a more professionally fermentation process, or professional fermentation process. So this is a more DIY, do it yourself at home, and you can just do this and use it for yourself at home, and it works just the same. Okay. Go ahead and strain that. Make sure at every time you are covering your beaker to make sure nothing is falling into it. Now that we have strained our rice water, we're going to use this rice leaven. Okay, this is a yeast. Now I'm going to explain what this is. Now, rice leaven is generally a yeast, right? It is used in creating other fermented to create other ferments for maybe wine, and also cosmetics. Now, this product helps to soothe the skin, smoothen the skin, reduce wrinkles, eliminate pigments and spots, and also makes your skin brighter, clearer, and have that shiny effect. Now, this also contains probiotics, right? It has other strains of probiotics. So I am just imagine bringing different synergistic ingredients together into one product and see how it works. So that's what this product is doing in here. Now, if you don't understand, please leave a comment in the comment section, and I will try as much as possible to explain it. So I'm going to go ahead and save my rice leaven for another fermentation process. Now, after about another 4 to 5 days, this is what our rice water looks like. As you can see, there's a clearer part of it, and then on the bottom you see the part that is, I can't remember what the Japanese call it. If I remember, I'll put that on the screen. So now I'm going to strain it again to make sure that I remove all the part that I don't want. I just want the liquid, and I want to try as much as possible to get it as clear as I can. Now, if you have a better filtering method, you can use that, but for me, this is what I had at the time, and this is what I am using. Okay, so let's pause a bit and let's talk about probiotics. What are its benefits to your skin, and why do you need it? Now, like I said earlier, there are different strains of probiotics, right? There are the ones that help with large pores, pimples. There are the ones that help with skin lightening. There are the ones that help with shrinking your pores and, just removing wrinkles, oxidative stress. So generally, what probiotics does for your skin is it helps to balance the pH level of your skin, thereby restoring or balancing out the moisture level on your skin, which will help to give you a more radiant looking skin, right? It also helps with it helps to reduce oxidative stress, reduce the effect of sun damage that are caused, of course, by UV light. It also helps to improve the skin's quality, right? If you're having premature aging, wrinkles around your eyes, no worries. They can help to reverse the aging process and give you that very beautiful glass glowing result. So, these are some of the benefits of um, probiotics and why they are used in skincare products. A lot of the skincare brands that are popping out of the Asian countries right now are packed with lots and lots of probiotics, different types. Now, some of them that are very common are the bifida and lactobacillus. We have saccharomyces. They have all these particular strains. Particular bacteria or probiotics have different strains, okay, which is more intricate to explain, but just know that these products in your skincare product helps to balance out your skin and just give you a more healthy looking skin, and that is why they are being raved about right now. Now, since this is a homemade product, I went ahead to add my yeast, beta glucan. I added my snail mucin filtrate to help to balance out the product, and then I also went ahead to add my preservative just to make sure that I keep away all the negative bacteria that I don't need in my products away. Okay, I'm gonna leave the ingredients that I used on the screen so that you guys can see, and then after that I went ahead, stirred everything together, and I packed it into my container so that it's easy for me to just spray on my face. Now, you can use this product in the morning, you can use it at night, and it is very, very safe and very good for every skin type, whether you have sensitive skin, whether you have dry skin, whether you have combination skin. It helps to just regulate your skin's moisture balance. So it doesn't matter whether you have oily skin, you still need this as well. Now, we have a more advanced and more professionally formulated version of this toner, and if you like to have it, send us a WhatsApp message and we will tell you how to get it, or you can shop on our website if it is listed there already. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you haven't subscribed up till now, please take this time to subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell so you are notified every time I put out a new video, and make sure you leave your comments in the comment section. Give this video a share and just interact with the video so that YouTube can see that you guys like my content. And if you would like to see more DIY Korean based or Korean inspired skincare products, please do well to leave your comment in the comment section. If you try this product and it works for you, also leave your comment in the comment section as well, so that I can get your reviews and you guys can tell me what you like about this product. Now, the hydroquinone 2.0 class is on. You guys can now register. The class is for 100,000 naira. In this class, I'm going to teach you how to formulate a proper product using hydroquinone. I'm going to be showing you why hydroquinone is the number one ingredient when it comes to hyperpigmentation that is recommended by dermatologists. And I'm also going to show you how to properly dissolve your hydroquinone both in small batches and in large batch to a stable solution that you can even sell as a pro-mixing serum. Okay, I'm also going to show you how you can use the same solutions to create skincare products that are effective and safe. Now, a lot of you complained in my last class that your product still turns dark when you use them. I'm going to be telling you why it does that and troubleshooting it to create a more stable product. Okay, now if you would like to join this class, kindly use the link in the description bar to send us a WhatsApp message, and all the information about the class will be sent to you. And then when you pay, you will be added to the group. Thank you guys so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for the likes, thank you for the shares, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.